Next, punta naman tayo sa pagkuha ng discriminant sa nature of the roots. So, kahit hindi mo i-solve yung equation, pwede mong kunin yung discriminant at nature ng roots. So, tandaan lang na ang formula ng discriminant ay b square minus 4ac. Then, kapag yung value ng d ay greater than 0, ibig sabihin yung roots niya ay real and unequal. Okay, ito meron na kayong copy nito. Yung d is equal to 0 naman, ibig sabihin yung roots niya ay real and equal. Then kapag naman yung d or yung discriminant is less than 0, so imaginary naman yan. Ngayon, tandaan na ito, para hindi kayo malito, kapag yung discriminant ay positive, real and unequal. Kapag naman yung discriminant ay negative, imaginary. So, example, kunyari, ang nakuha mong discriminant ay positive 4. So, pasok siya dito, real and unequal. Kapag ang nakuha mo naman discriminant ay negative 4, so pasok siya dito, imaginary yung roots mo. So, solve natin yung equation na to. X squared minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Kunin natin yung discriminant niya. So, gamitin natin yung formula na to. D is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So, ganun ulit, sisiguraduhin mo muna ang naka-standard form yung equation. Once ang naka-standard form na equation, kunin mo yung value ng a, b, saka c. At ang value ng a dito, 1. Value ng b, negative 6. Value ng c, positive 5. Okay? So, once nakuha may value ng a, b, and c, kunin mo lang po yung discriminant using this formula. So, substitute mo lang or ipalit mo lang yung value ng ng a, b, and c. So, d is equal to negative 6 square minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 5. Okay? So, mula dito, square mo lang to, negative 6 square is negative 6 times negative 6, which is, pag hindi mo kayang ganon, pwede mong simulan doon sa 6 times 6 muna, which is 36, then negative times negative, positive. Tandaan mo, kapag in-square mo naman yung negative numbers, lagi naman yung positive. So, 36 tayo dyan. So, 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 5, 20. Then, yung sign naman tayo, negative times positive, then negative yon. So, negative times positive, negative. Negative times positive again, negative ulit yon. So, 36 minus 20, that will be 16. So, since yung discriminant mo ay positive 16, babalik ka dito sa ating nature ng roots. Kapag yung discriminant ay 16, ibig sabihin positive number yon. So, yung discriminant mo ay greater than 0. So, without solving the equation, alam na natin na the roots are, so lagawa tayo ng conclusion. The roots are real and unequal. Okay?